Hey guys, welcome to Cutesy Drawings. Today I'll be drawing RetroSpecter from the Friday Night Funkin mod. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. With this drawing, I'll be erasing some lines, so I'd recommend drawing in a pencil first. Let's start off by drawing the eyebrows. Draw a wide V shape like this. Then thicken up the lines and keep the ends tapered. Now above the center, draw a small black V shape up. Let's draw the eyes now. On the left, draw a long oval down that has a slightly flat bottom. Then color it in black. Do the same thing on the right, but with a wider shape like this. Let's draw the shape of the face next. To the left, at eye level, draw a small diagonal line. Then a diagonal line out to the left. And then a curve under to finish off the nose. Now continue this line over to the right and curve it back up next to the right eyebrow. Then add a small line on the nose for the nostril. Let's draw the mouth now. Draw an angled V shape to the right of the eyes. Now on the left, add a small angle down. Then curve it down to the bottom of the face like this. Next, above it, draw an angled line down to the left. And one more angle to the bottom. Then inside, color a small black triangle section. Let's finish off the top part of the mouth next with two angled lines up. And then a thick curved line across at the end. Let's finish off the head now with the horns and the hair. Continue the right side of the face up. And then add a curved vertical line above it. Now a diagonal line to just above the right eye. Then add two lines at the top of the horn. Now at the bottom, add a small diagonal line. Then add a long diagonal line over to the top of the left eye and past the left side of the face. Then close off this piece of hair with a curve. Now add a large curved piece of hair above it. And then two more large angled pieces of hair at the top to close off the head. Next, add the other horn on top of the head here. And add a diagonal line inside. Let's draw the fur under the face next. Under the nose, draw a small curve down. Then a large pointed curve out to the left and back in, stopping under the left of the mouth. Now two more skinnier curve points. Then a curve going out in the opposite direction. And now add an S-curve up to the side of the face. Next, add three black triangle shapes under the face here. Now we're going to add the two spikes that are coming out of the right side of the face with two V shapes. Then erase the lines inside. And now add a curve inside each spike. Let's draw his body next. Draw the sleeve of the right arm with 2 lines down. And then a curve across the bottom. Now add a curved V shape to the left for the side of the jacket. Now a pointed curve across for the pocket of the pants. And a line down for the side of the arm. Next, to finish off this side of the body, draw an angled line to the right of the arm here. Hop to the left side now and draw a curve down. Then at the halfway point of this line, draw a curved V shape for the other side of the jacket. Now curve across in the middle for the bottom of the shirt. Let's draw the right leg and foot next. Draw an angled line down on the right. And then an L shape under. And one more angled line down and out. And then a curve down. Now draw a long curve starting from under the middle of the body over to the right side for the top of the foot. Then add a bent line above on the left for the other side of the pants. Let's draw the foot now, starting with lines down on either side. Then on the right, a short line in, stopping here. Then close off the foot with a long L shape like this. Next, add a line inside on the left and make the bottom curve out a bit on either side. Now add 3 triangles for the toenails. Let's draw the left leg and foot now. From the curve on the left side, draw a step line down. And then a curve across to the other leg. Now in the middle of the pants, draw a thick sort of Y shape. Let's draw the foot now. Draw the top of the foot out to the left like this. Then 2 curves for the bottom of the foot. Then draw the 3 toes like this. Let's draw the left hand holding the microphone now. Draw 3 fingers down on a diagonal here like this. Then close off the hand with 3 bumps. Now add the microphone with a rounded rectangle on top of the hand. And then a curve across inside. Now add a large circle at the end for the microphone head. Then add the detailed curved lines inside. Next, to finish off the hand, draw the thumb with a wavy line to the right like this. Now erase any of the overlapping lines. Lastly, finish off the microphone by adding the base at the bottom of the hand. Let's draw the tail now. From the bottom of the right pant leg, draw a curve up and out. And then another curve above it. Draw the left side of the tail now with a line under the face spike. Now at the top of the outside line, draw a claw out and up like this. And now add a curve inside. Next, draw an S-curve above it. And add one more pointed claw up. Now add a diagonal line above on the left. Lastly, to finish off the tail, draw a wavy line across near the bottom. And that's it for RetroSpecter. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!